and good afternoon students. I welcome you for today's maths class. Students, we have started with lesson 2 number work in which we have studied about 3-digit number 100. That is 3-digit numbers, they start from number 100. Now after 100 we have more 3-digit numbers about which we'll be studying in our today's subtopic Introduction to 3-digit numbers. So let's start children. In this table, you have here first column of crayons. Then you have here 3 columns, hundreds, tens and units. That is 3-digit numbers. They have 3 places, hundreds, tens and units. Then looking at these crayons, you have to write here the number. Here you have to write the number in figures and here you have to write the number in words. Okay. Now children, here you can see this is a box on which 100 is written. So 100 means in one box you have 100 crayons. Then here only single one crayon is there. So now let's write the number looking at these crayons. Hundreds. How many hundreds children? Only one. Then tens. Do you have any tens here? No. So we'll write here 0. Then we have units column. Now here single one crayon. So in units you will write here 1. So in figure the number becomes 101. Now when you have to write it in words, let us see how to write in words. 100 and 1. Then next, here again you have a box of 100 crayons. So in hundreds we'll write 1. Tens, we don't have any tens, so 0. Then units, how many in units? 1, 2, so 2. So in figure the number becomes 102. Let us write it in words. 102. Next, again you have here a box of 100 crayons. So in hundreds 1. Tens, we don't have any tens, so 0. In units 1, 2, 3. So we'll write here 3. So in figure the number becomes 103. That is 103. 103. Next, in hundreds we have 100. So in hundreds column 1. We don't have any tens, so 0. In units 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put here 4. Now in figure the number becomes 104. That is 104. 104. Next, again we have one box of 100 crayons. So in hundreds let us write 1. No tens, so 0. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number becomes 105. Now let us write it in words. 105. Next, here again we have 100. So we'll put here 1. Tens, we don't have any number. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So the number becomes 106. Let us write it in words. 106. Next, we have one box of 100. So in hundreds 1. No tens, so again 0. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in figures, when you write, the number is 107, that is 107. Let us write it in words. 107. Next, we have a box of 100 crayons. So in hundreds, 1, no tens, 0, units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we'll put 8. Now the number is 108, that is 108. Next, hundreds we have 1, tens we don't have any tens, units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number is 109. That is, when you read it, you will read it as 109. Let us write it in words. 109. Next, in hundreds, we'll put 1 because 1 box of 100. Now, units, we don't have any units. If you will see, this is a box. Now, in this box, let us see how many crayons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, in units, if we will write 10, then this is a 2-digit number if you see. So, this is wrong. 10, 0, you will put it here only. And this one which you have, you will take it in tens. And this one of 100. So the number is 110. See, I repeat children, here you have 10. This 10 is a 2-digit number. This is units, so 0 in units and 1 will come in tens. So in tens, you will put here 1. So the number is 110. That means it is called 110. 110. Okay children, now next. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads on the wires. Write the number in figures and in words. Now see children, here you have 100, 200, right? So here you have the wire string, you can say. In this you have to put in form of beads this 100. So 1, 2. So in 100, 1, 2. Now next, tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, hundreds we had 2. So first number is 2. In tens, T means tens, H means hundreds. Tens, how many we had children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 bits we have. So that the number in tens is 5. In units, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bits we have in units. So the number in units is 4. Now the number is 254. Write the number in figures. We have written in figures and in words. Let us write in words over here. 254 means 54. 2 is in 100, so 200, and 54. 5 is in tens and 4 is in units. So tens and units you have to write here together. So when you are writing in words, it will become 254. Next, hundreds. Let us see how many hundreds we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tens, 1. So in T, 1. Units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in hundreds, first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beats we have here. So our first number is 6. In tens, we have only one ten. So the number in tens is 1. Units, how many we had, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 beads we have put here in this wire or in the string. So the next number in units is 7. Now let us write this in words. 600 and 1 7 is 17. So 600 and 1 7, 17. See children, 6 is in 100, so 600. And 1 and 7 is 17, so 617. Next, how many hundreds we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in H, 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. Tens, T, 1, 2, 3. So in tens, 1, 2, 3. Units, we have only 1, so only 1. Hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number is 100 is 4. Tens, 1, 2, 3. So the number in tens is 3. Units, we have only 1. So now let us read this number. 431. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. And 3 1 is 31. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now T tens. Here, do you have tens? No, nothing. So here will not put any beads. Let it remain as it is. Now units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the number in hundreds. In tens, we don't have any number. So 0. I repeat children, tens, we don't have any number. So in tens place, 0. Again in units, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 beats here. In units, 8. So the number is 808. Means when you are reading it, it becomes 808. 808. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In hundreds, we have 5. So we'll put the number in hundreds 5. Now tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the number in tens is 8. Units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In units 5. Now when you are reading it, the number becomes 585. So 500 and 85 is 85. 85. Okay children. Next example. Children, here we are learning to write the 3-digit number in figures and year in words.